Vice ganda full support sa advanced screening nila Ma'am Charo, Vice ayon off-cam ganap. Sa kasalukuyang nagaganap na advanced screening ng pelikula nila Dingdong Dantes at Ma'am Charo Santos, ay talagang full support naman si Vice ganda at mga kaibigan nito na sila Eugene Domingo at tamang bonding din sila sa kanilang pagkikita-kita. Wagi naman kahapon sa VP Choice Award si Vice bilang Movie Actor of the Year, at ang kanilang movie na The Breadwinner is, binati rin ni Vice si Ma'am Eugene Domingo, samantala very sweet naman off-cam sina Vice at Ayon.
Ate Baby, congratulations sa iyong Best Supporting Actress Award sa VP Choice Awards.
And congratulations to you too as Best Movie Actress of 2024.
Actress si
Actor. Dian, congrats na rin. At ito nanalo siyang Best Movie of the Year.
Thank you, guys.
Siya mismo.
Yeah, I am the movie.
Siya yung Best Movie. Parang pare-pare tayo ng buhok na tatlo, no?
Bangsamoro.
Are you still singing? Eh.
Thanks guys for coming. Really appreciate your attendance.
Hey pa. One.
Nakapigil pa na siya ba kayo, no? Ganda. Ganda siya today.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hindi mo kailangan magmalaki at magmayabang. Pwede kang umamin, Lord, hindi ko kaya.
Yes.
Sa'yo na. Actually, gusto rin ni Lord na humihingi tayo ng tulong sa Kanya. Diba? Gusto ni Lord na nakikitang ginagawa natin ang lahat ng kaya natin. Pero gusto niya rin na ina-ask natin ng help. Lord, hindi ko to kaya. Yun na to.
Magkakaroon ka ng hope eh. Alam mo may pinaniniwalaan ka, magkakaroon ka ng hope.
Oh.